In this video, I'll show you how to quickly get started with a free trial of Groov Server for Windows. It's a simple 3-step process. First, register for the free trial and download Groov. Next, install Groov. And finally, evaluate Groov. Build and view your very own mobile app. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your favorite browser, go to groov.com, click Get Groov, and try Groov for free. Enter your email address and click Send. If you're not already in the system, then complete this form and click Send. Next, check your email. We've just sent instructions on the next step. If you don't see the email in your inbox, check your spam folder. Click on the link and log back in. From a Windows PC, click on the link to download the trial. Okay, once the download is complete, we're ready for step 2. Simply double-click to install Groov. Stick with the defaults during installation. Once that's done, from your browser, enter the address https://localhost. This will take us to the new Groov server for Windows that we just installed. Go ahead and ignore the security warnings in your browser because we're using a self-signed certificate. Once you've accepted all the security warnings, click Start Trial Mode. Next, we're prompted to create a Groov user account this first time. Please remember your username and password. There is no way to recover them should you forget. Click Create Groov Build Account. Now you're ready for the fun part. Step 3. Evaluate Groov by building and testing your custom interface. In this short video, we'll only touch on many of the powerful features in Groov. But for more in-depth how-to videos, check out our workshop videos, which can be found on groov.com under the Support tab. Here we are in Groov Build, where you can build your custom interface. Gadgets like buttons, sliders, gauges, and trends are here. Tags for gadgets are in this tab. Gadget properties are entered here. All your pages will be listed on the left, and you can group your pages into categories. First, I need a page, so I'll click Add Page and give it a name. I'll choose this color and click OK. Notice up here in the Pages panel, we now have a category too. Now check out how the canvas has this desktop and tablet landscape layout and one for your handheld devices. We'll talk more about that later. I can customize this page for my application by adding an image gadget, which I'll simply drag and drop onto the canvas. Now you'll see up here in the Properties pane, I can browse to the image I want. I can select the gadget and move it over here. Now I'm ready to control and monitor something. For that, we'll need some tags. Under Configure Devices and Tags, click Add New Device. As you can see, you can use tags from Modbus TCP devices, OPC UA systems and equipment, or Opto22 SnapPack controllers. But for now, we'll choose the handy Data Simulator, which requires no outside components. Click Close. Over here in our Gadgets palette, I'll choose a slider. I can just drag and drop that onto my new page. Notice this little no tag icon on my gadget, letting me know I need to select a tag. The gadget is also grayed out. So let's select a tag over here in my slider properties. I'll pick just a basic int32 variable like this first one. Now I can control that variable with the slider. I'll change some other properties here to make it vertical, change the max value, the label, the number of decimal places, and change the color. For my next gadget, I'll select the tag first here in the gadget palette. I'll choose that same int32. When I click on the tag first, Groov automatically gives me a filtered list of only the gadgets that are appropriate for this tag type. I'll choose this button. I'll adjust the size and give it a better label. I'm going to leave the value at the default of 0 since I want this button to clear out the tag value. I'll try a different color for the button. Now, if I decide I don't like the color, I can easily change it later. Let's add the confirm option too to make sure the button isn't hit by accident. I can adjust the layout. And let's add one last gadget here in the middle. I'll pick that same int32 because I want to see what happens when I change the slider or push the button. I'll pick a trend. For lots more on trends, watch the Trend Workshop video on groov.com. Let's change the trend's title to Beers on the Wall. I want to see changes every minute instead of the default of 5 minutes for the period, and I'll use the same color theme with fill. I'll click close. Now here's something really cool. While I built this desktop and tablet landscape view, Groov created this vertical handheld view for me so I can see what it will look like on smaller handheld devices. I don't need this trend on my phone, so I'll move it over here to the stash area. I can rearrange gadgets, adjust the size of my image, and make these control gadgets nice and big and easy to use. Back on desktop view, note everything stays in its place. Alright, let's try this out. Go to File, save all changes and switch to Groov View. And now we have 99 bottles of beer on the wall. But let's say a big order just came in and we need to ship all beer. That'll drop our stock to 0. Here's our confirm. So just like that, we have a working user interface. Now let's see how it works on a phone. You can try this out on any smartphone or tablet using the built-in web browser, or even better, our free Groov View app for Android or iOS. Use either the IP address of this Windows PC or just the computer name. You're officially a mobile app developer, and you built this all in just minutes. For lots more information on Groov, check out groov.com. Let us know how it goes with these 3 easy steps. Thanks for watching!